Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center DFW. We are a dealership, a part of Vogt RV World, where we house our Day One Service Initiative and enroll our customers in our VRV family membership for 12 months on us. Today, once again, I am super excited to show y'all around the Storyteller Overland models. I have all three of them from the Beast Mode, Dark Mode, and Classic. So we're gonna take a quick lap around all of them and then we'll show you the insides. Here we go. Alrighty, we're gonna start here on the Classic. So some similarities throughout all of them is that we're gonna be on the Mercedes all-wheel drive chassis with the 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We all have our BF Goodrich all-terrain tires throughout, so that is gonna get you into those places. And then here with the Classic, you are a blank canvas. You are able to put on those accessories that you want to do, different style boxes, and you have 8.4 kilowatts of lithium power in here. Another similarity throughout on specifications is your 21-gallon freshwater tank and a 24-gallon gray water tank. And then you're going to have your portable cassettes. And these models, they are the OGs, but you also have the Exos with your boombox and with the flushable cassette toilet as well. All right, so as I mentioned here in the back, again, blank canvas. You can put whatever rack here, whatever box you want, and accessories that you are going to best suit what you're looking for. And we can do all those upfits right here. Owl vans, Canyon vans, we are able to do those. And then as well, across all of the models, you have your up dog rear step. So super helpful to get you into your coach through the backside. All right, now I'm going to introduce you guys to the Dark Mode. I do have another video on this to go a little bit further in depth of just a specific model. Words are hard today. But on this model, we go up to the 16.8 kilowatts of lithium power. We do have our hood spoiler, and then what I like to call is the anti-glare hood wrap on it as well. Also in this model, you get the JBL door speakers. That is something that's shared with the Beast Mode. So now we're getting into those few things that the Beast does have as well. We've got our invader racks. You can put any storage boxes on there, big, small. Again, kind of like a blank canvas to be able to add in those accessories that you guys are looking to have on your travels. All right, like I mentioned, we have our invader racks on the back. Again, a blank canvas, so you can put those accessories that you most desire on here. We got, just like the Classic, our up dog rear step. And I forgot to mention that we have our walkable roof panels on these models as well, shared throughout all three. It is a super fun, and if you're not too scared of heights, I definitely recommend it. We did it for our solar eclipse. It was a really fun experience just to be up there at a different level. So let's head over to the Beast and let's talk about that guy. Come on. All right, so we have made it to the Beast Mode. This is the fully loaded model that Storyteller has on the 144 chassis. With this, you're gonna get your flare space bumper guard. Again, you have the hood spoiler and my anti-glare hood wrap. I love the new graphics that they have. They are more true earth tones and a super cool design that they came out with. You're also gonna get a full 360 KC light package. So you have the 2 in the bumper, you're gonna have the 8 that are up top, and then some floodlights on the sides to really help illuminate the area so you can keep the party going after the sun goes down. Here on our driver's side, we're gonna have our Owl Van step ladder. We have it also on the running board on our passenger side as well. So that is a really great feature to have because you have the roll bar to help prevent for any damage to the actual unit should you get any kind of scuffs or such of that sort. We got our Invader tubular ladder that is also on the other models as well. Here in the back is where we get to our fun little gizmos and gadgets. We got a full-size spare tire with our Beast Mode wheel, our Invader racks, full-size Owl Van large box. So again, you still have some space to do a smaller box, bike rack, remove this one, do a bigger box, whatever you really need for that trip. It's super great. Now for 2025, Storyteller did a big change with the Beast Mode suspension. They have made it to the Invictus Advanced Suspension. It is self-adjusting, a really smoother ride, not gonna be one of those that I feel kind of jostles you around whenever you're going into those rough terrain type styles as well. So let's head on inside. Let me tell you some great features about that, because there is one difference that these models do not carry that just the Beast does. Come on. All right, now that we're interior, floor plan wise, throughout all three models, we are going to be the same, but the one thing that does make the Beast stand out more is going to be their storage packs that you have all throughout your coach, both on your passenger and driver, here in our galley area, and then also here in our garage space. So these are really great and very convenient, because if you are going on a trip or a hiking trip, or you know, biking, whatever, you can pack these storages. They're Velcro, so you can just pull them right off, take it with you, and then that is it. You also get your kind of airplane cockpit lights up top, those switches. They're really cool, but that's the few key differences for the Beast on the interior. Let's go ahead to the Classic and I'll show you what the dark mode and that model look like inside. All right, so we are here in the Classic mode. Now, floor plan wise, again, it's gonna be similar within the dark mode. We do lose our storage packs that the Beast did carry. In there, you did see how the bed can be stowed away, and you are able to have that garage space here underneath. Now I have it in the desk position, or in like an exterior or an interior larger table prep station for when you're cooking. Open up the doors, you have your 110 plug over here for your induction cooktop, so you could just use this whole area, or standing desk. So if we do have the people who are still working remotely, or you just want to be able to do something on your computer. Right here, got the back cushion for support as well. Let me show you guys what this looks like fully down. Here we are. So this is the bed fully down. We do have the flares on the side, so that does add in a little bit extra space for our taller folks. The further back that you go, the more length that you're going to be able to get for those. Let me show you guys the Groove Lounge, because that's going to be another sleeping area, another seating area. There's 5 points that it can be put into, which makes this, again, just super versatile for those travels and to be out there for kind of some longer stays if need be. So let me show you guys that. So here's the Groove Lounge. Again, I mentioned this can be put into 5 points. So right now, I like to call this our little chill and hangout mode. You know, 2 people, 1 person can sit here, 2, 1 can sit here. It's really nice, very versatile. Let me show you some others that this can go into. You ready? So if we have the kiddos with us, or just any other travelers with us, this can be made out into a twin bed. I do know that some of those upfit companies do have a mattress for this if you wanted to use that, sleeping bag, whichever is easiest and most compatible for you in your travels. All right, we got 3 more. Give me just a second. I will do that for you. And here we are in a front-facing recline, which is another position that this can go into. So whether, you know, you have your over-the-head shelf that you get to have the TV, sit here, watch a great movie, watch your favorite show, or just, I don't know, take a little midday nap, because that's what I am feeling right now. So here is going to be the driving seat. You also have your table mount down here, so you can utilize this area as well for a desk, play cards with the family, whatever you're gonna do on that vacation. All right, we have 1 more, and it's my favorite, so let me show you. And here we are, the last one, rear facing recline. Why this is my favorite is because it is very conveniently right next to the refrigerator. Open this up if you can, grab in, grab yourself a drink. You got the open views, windows here, side windows, so you can see all surround sounds of the area that you are at. So this is the Storytellers, and I am so happy to show you guys around. Here we are, right into the cab. So we've talked about everything that Storyteller puts on their vans and in their vans. Let's talk about what drives their vans. So here again, we are on the Mercedes all-wheel drive chassis. It's a 144 wheelbase. We're saying 20 feet in length. You have your 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine in here to give you the power and the oomph to get into those mountain areas, up those rocky pastures. I love this because you do still have your safety features as well. So lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, all of those fun creature comforts that we are used to in our own vehicles are right here in your motorhome, which is super great. Everything can be controlled as well from your steering wheel, and then you also have your touchscreen panel here to get you into those other features. So this is super awesome. This is a great motorhome built by a great manufacturer. I love them. You will love them too. So come out and check them out. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video today. Leave a comment down below. Let us know, what mode of life are you in? Are you ready for the Classic where you can just upfit it at your leisurement? Or are you ready for the Beast where you can take it full into the Colorado mountains, ready for adventure? And we can't forget about our middleman here. So leave a comment below, like and subscribe. We'll see you down in the future, and stay tuned for some more videos from Leisure RV Center or DFW. Bye y'all.